more you gon' remember. I'ma be that more you gon' remember. I be that more you gon' remember. To Harker Bay front line till the law call my number. I be that more you gon' remember. I'ma be that more you gon' remember, that's right. I be that more you gon' remember. To Harker Bay front line till the law call my number. If you a friend of the Moors, then you a friend of mine. I was told to watch my enemies, now hold my line. Those that speak against the prophet, they speak against me. And I'm speaking about the prophet over Drew Ali. It's long. Mufti on deck. Y'all see that? Mufti on deck. Anyway. I be that more you gon' remember. I'ma be that more you gon' remember. I be that more you gon' remember. To Harker Bay front line till the law call my number. I be that more you gon' remember. I'ma be that more you gon' remember, that's right. I be that more you gon' remember. To Harker Bay front line till the law call my number. If you a friend of the Moors, then you a friend of mine. I was told to watch my enemies, now hold my line. Those that speak against the prophet, they speak against me. And I'm speaking about the prophet over Drew Ali, who was the first to remind you and bind you back to Morocco, the mountains, Mississippi, and Quebec. Told you you wasn't black. Welcome to another edition of Moorish World TV. I'm here with my Nuwaubian brother. I want to interview the brother on site, organically. I want to ask the brother, what is him and the brothers doing here at the Juneteenth Festival today? And then we'll go in with a few questions. What are you doing here today, my brother?
Man, first and foremost, I would like to say thank you for, interviewing us. You know what I'm saying? We here just celebrating this black powerful love, you know what I mean, with all the unity. Exploring what the power that we have. That's the main thing. That's being over here amongst the power of our unity.
What's your name, my brother?
I am Dentup Reye.
Dentup Reye. Brother, let me ask you a question. You know, it's a lot of stuff going on about the conscious, quote unquote, conscious community, which I don't even think it exists because people use that terminology for online things. What is the state of the Nuwaup community right now, brother?
Well, the Nuwaubian community right now, we building. Yeah, you have to remember, Dr. Malachi Z. York has been incarcerated for over 15 years. So when they took the land and they took him, it destroyed over 40 years of construction. And that destruction had us separate all over the place. You know, it was 476 acres, but we had 19 acres developed. You know what I mean? And out of the 19 acres that we had developed, these people were living there. We were actually living on the land. I'm from Brooklyn, New York. I actually came to Georgia in 1998. In 1998, I started to, go to Tamaray, although I didn't live on the land, but I would go to Tamaray and help build on the land. So you had a lot of families that lived on the land. And as they lived on the land, what happened was, once they took it, it destroyed. So right now, for the 15 years, we've been building, constructing, you know what I mean? And Dr. York has been in prison, still writing books, you follow what I'm saying? The books that he's been writing had answered a lot of questions, like, case in point, like, how they look at homosexuality, because, in the conscious, quote-unquote, community, homosexuality, the sodomists interpreted, that was a big controversy with the different brothers because they didn't understand. So what Dr. York did back then was give a breakdown of it, and even as of recent, he gave a further breakdown, and the further breakdown was dealing with the fact that you have hermaphrodite, hemorphodite, and then homosexual. So if you have a male with a female spirit, that's a hermaphrodite. If you have a female with the male spirit, that's a hemorphodite, right? And then you have individuals that go out there and change their genders by utilizing hormones. You know what I'm saying? So that's a homosexual. And then within the world, they don't even talk about that, because if you have a child, you love your child, and that child comes out as a female with a female with a male spirit, you're like, well, damn, what did God do to me? If I have a male child with a female spirit, you don't know how to deal with that. And these are the different things that we as Nuwaubians always did. Like I always tell brothers, like when I see my Moorish brothers, we embrace y'all. Why? Because y'all, we brothers. When I see the Hebrew Israelite, we embrace it, because what happened is, what Dr. York taught us is, when you would come on Tamaray, on the land that they stole, you had all the flags. He flew all the flags, from the Moors to the 5%ers to the Hebrew Israelites, everyone. He paid reverence to what was there before him because of the power in our unity. You know what I mean? So yeah.
That's good, brother. How far have y'all come along? Do you think y'all will
be able to rebuild Tamaray and then take it to the next level?
Ah, man, the next level is this right here, what we're doing in conversing, you know what I mean? And yes, we will build Tamaray. Tamaray will be built again, you know what I mean? The thing about it is, like I'm going to put it out there, we were just talking about having a dinner. Why can't we come and sup together? And we have the Hebrew Israelites come out, the 5% come out, the RBG community come out, Hebrew, and all the different communities come out, and just have a dinner. And then talk about what we do come together with, what we do, what are our common goals? You follow what I'm saying? What do we see common for us to move forward versus the fact that, well, I'm a Moor over here, or I'm a 5% over here, or I'm a Islam over here, a Muslim over here, or whatever the case is. Let's put all that to the side. Not to say that you have to change your thought process, you know what I'm saying, that makes you a person that may feel better within you. That we don't have to change that. Let's talk about how we could build as a unit. And then it goes back to a picture that Dr. York put together where we all a family, where he had every individual up in there, from Elijah Muhammad to Noble Jew Ali to Benjamin, all the different leaders in our time. So yes, to answer your question, yes, we will be building Tamaray again, you know what I mean? And Dr. York will be free. A lot of people don't understand that when they took him, they did not understand that he was actual diplomat for Liberia. They didn't understand that. So when they took him, they just took him as a regular black person. They thought, hey, he's heavy. You know what I mean? He got information, so we're going to take him and take the land, and that's it. But they didn't understand that they were violating international laws because he was an actual diplomat to Liberia, to Atlanta. And Tamaray was actually a post. It was a post as our territory, because before church and state, we were here as indigenous people. You know what I'm saying? You had your Yamasee, you had your Seminoles, you had your Cherokee, you had all these different indigenous people that was here. And what Dr. York was doing back then, he had our territory, which was the 476 acres, to identify that we were here before church and state. So when they took the land, you know, that's a whole other thing. They took the land because we have a claim. You have a claim. I have a claim. And we're not a party to this $19 trillion debt that they have. You follow what I'm saying? And so to answer your question, yes, we are definitely rebuilding. You know what I mean? Definitely.
That's what's up. That's what's up. And what I hear from you, brother, is the same gospel that I use the terminology as a universal gospel, because the same fight that the Doc fought and that y'all are fighting now is the same fight that the Moors fight. It's the same fight. It's the fight for us to live together and for us to be liberated and basically left alone.
Well, yeah, I mean, what happened? Me and the brother Sakar, my partner, you know what I'm saying? What we do, we just try to go ahead and spread the good news. You follow what I'm saying? When Dr. York was incarcerated, when they kidnapped him, we were recognized as United Nuwaubian Nation of Moors. So yes, we do fight the same fight. So we do have the same. We do sing the same song in that reference. Outside of that, all we know is that we need to come together. You know what I mean? Because we have an ability to have a strong economy. This is when you walk through here. You see all these different vendors, and you see all these different thought process. You see the Hebrews over here, you see the Moors over here, you see the Nuwaubians over there, you just see the regular black folks. That's a spending power. So when they say our 40 million here in America has a spending capability of 1.2 trillion, this is that 1.2 trillion spread across, whether it's here in Atlanta, New York, Detroit, Chicago, because you got the same Moors over there, you got the same Hebrew Israelites over there, same Nuwaubians over there. So when you come to a Juneteenth, all you see is our power on an economic level. You know what I'm saying? As far as the entrepreneurs that want to come out and sell their goods. And that's the power that we have to harness that $1.2 trillion. You know what I'm saying? So you're just speaking to one of the, I'm a part of the economic ministry within the United Nuwaubian, and we represent the diaspora for U.S. So that's why each of your questions, I'm answering it that way, so the listeners could see the power that we have in our unity.
That's what I'm talking about, brother. Where are you located? Where can people find you? Where can you be reached? So if those see this cast, they will be able to be in contact with you.
Well, specifically, we will be opening up another bookstore here in Georgia really soon. It's just so happened right now, you know, a lot of us have moved up north. You know what I'm saying? Because of the fact of, you know, the climate of what's going on. You know, as far as civilly, we don't know what's going on between, you know, the Democrats and the Republicans. You have a lot of militias that's out here, and these are the good old boys or the Tea Party that does not adhere to how government is going, and we don't want to be caught in the middle of that. So not being caught in the middle of that, we're trying to get out the way. So a lot of us has moved up north. You know, so therefore, but we will. But a lot of us is here because you have to remember there was the 15 years that Dr. York been locked up. Before that, there was a 10 years previous, 12 years previous that we were here building the pyramids and building. So we heavily rooted in the South. So we will be opening up a bookstore here. But if you want to contact me specifically for any information on Facebook, Facebook is the best way, which is Dentut Raye, DEN space TUT space RAYAY. You just type it up on Facebook. You'll be able to inbox me, and I'm very serious about this dinner. So you know, the Moors that's out there, I'm talking to the brother. I'm gonna get his information, so I'm gonna hold him to it. And you know, the RBGs that's out there, if y'all see it, inbox me on Facebook. Hebrew Israelite, you know what I mean? 5%ers. Shrine of the Black Madonna, you know, and every time you go to each one, you can see how we just get weaker and weaker and weaker, in sense of not saying that don't lose what you got or what you've grown on. Let's just come together with that. You can still be who you are over there. Let's just come together. And by having this dinner is just the first showing of love and unity. You know what I mean? Because love and unity is the key. You know what I mean? Word.
You know, when I listen to this, brother, I'm telling you, it reminds me of, I always try to find a likeness. I try to find a likeness in all schools of thought. And when I listened to you, you said, well, you know, a lot of us are moving up north, you know, because of the climate, of the political climate, et cetera, et cetera. And the Prophet Noble Ali makes a statement that the drama basically will start in the South. And then we look at what happened with Tamaray. We look what happened with this political climate where the president right now, Donald Trump, has harnessed all the energy of the quote-unquote the good old boy. And the good old boy is in the South. You know what I'm saying? So when you say that, brother, it reigns true that, brother, we are of one mind. We just need to put that mind to work.
Right. I mean, everybody got, like you have a family, right? You might have an uncle, you might have a aunt, and that aunt, uncle, they might have differences, but they still family. And then when you go down your family line, you're going to find other differences. You might find a family in up north, or a family down south, or a family. Well, y'all could be in the same household. Man, get out that bathroom at 7:30, but every 7:30 you find yourself in the bathroom. There's always an argument. My point is, once we come to the common mind, well, I ain't gonna find myself in that bathroom, so there won't be no argument. Well, I ain't gonna talk about this, so I won't hurt her feelings. Or I ain't gonna talk about, because these things are touchy. Because Noble Jew Ali, great noble, Prophet Noble Jew Ali, Elijah Muhammad, great individual. He was the Messiah for his day and time. Marcus Mosiah Garvey, he was the Messiah for his day and time. So who am I in 2017 to say anything adverse to that? That's not how Dr. York taught us. And that's not how he did, you follow what I'm saying, when he was out here. When he was out there, what he did was he put out the Circle 7 for Clarence 13X, because of the fact that there wasn't a hardback. And that was the whole purpose for the 5% that's listening. There wasn't a hardback for the brother, you follow what I'm saying? And he did the Circle 7 for Noble Jew Ali in order to further push the information, to assist, never to take away, but to assist. So me as a Nuwaubian, that's what I'm an advocate, because that's how I was taught. You know what I mean? So if you find a child that's walking around crazy, he didn't listen, or he wasn't taught the right way. You know what I mean?
And I actually have that hardback Circle 7. Mine is green with red letters. Believe that. I got that. And the doc is in there. Yeah. So with that, I say, family, look, it's all about unity. That's why I'm here. That's why I'm filming this right now. And this video is going to be a testament to what we must do. Any departing words, brother?
Man, all I can say, man, help free Dr. York. He will be free. You know, and spread love and unity, man. When y'all walking out around the street as a Nubian, it is your duty to see another Nubian and say, hey, how you doing? How's your day going? If you see someone that's less fortunate than you, it is your duty to come out your pocket to help that person. It is your duty to do that. You know what I'm saying? All I can say to depart is wadu.
Peace and love, family. We out. We in the A at the Juneteenth Festival. I'm here with my big brother, Rebel Vision. As you can see, he got his line set up here. I want to see what this is all about because the last time I see the brother, I didn't see the OG originals. I don't know if that's a new line or if you had to hide or I missed it, brother. But this is my brother Rebel. What's going on, big brother?
Everything good, baby. Just enjoying ourselves. Came out here to show the family some love. They showing us crazy love. We might even move out here now.
That's what's up, brother. Can you real quick, because I'm trying to put this before one of the videos that I put out. Can you give us a few pieces and show us what you're dealing with and where we can cop some of this at?
Definitely.
It's not. So look, he gonna bring us a few pieces and we're gonna see what he got here.
We got the Nagash Garvey Ice right here. Started by my uncle Tyreek Edmondson, but
hey,
Rebel got him now. So you could come to the East Coast to see me and you could get them from us anytime, rebelvision.com.
Again, what y'all calling these?
The Garvey Ice.
The Garvey Ice. Now, you know the Moorish American Muslim, we say that Garvey, we have confidence that Garvey is the forerunner of the Prophet Noble Drew Ali, and he's rocking the Garvey Ice. Matter of fact, see, this is what people don't know. He talking about his uncle started this. Well, me and Uncle in conversations to try to do something with this Moorish paradigm.
Yes,
what you think about that?
Well, I'm with that, too. I
That's
was at that meeting. I was at that meeting, too. So I promote that all day.
Islam, that's what's up. So look, I just want people to know, man, listen, go to rebelvision.com. Rebelvision.com.
TheRealAncientChemistry.com.
TheRealAncientChemistry.com for the clothes, rebelvision.com for the information, as well as the hopefully you can get the shoes, hopefully you get the clothes, hopefully you get geared up for this summer. It is what it is.
Yes, sir, and you can find my music at SoundCloud Rebel with a Cause.
SoundCloud, what?
Whoa. Rebel with a Cause on SoundCloud.
So you spitting them bars?
We got a little something.
I'm slipping. The more man slipping. I'm slipping. Brother, I need a little something so I can bring in some of my shows. What you got here with you?
Well, it's really I got so many artists with me. So the line is really for my 4 or 5 real artists. You know?
When I grab something off, brother, don't strike my page because I need that.
You got anything?
I need that. Brother, can we get an idea where we can get the fitted?
NubianApparel.com. Those are my peoples, but you can find them at NubianApparel.com.
That's what's up. That's what's up. So, Moorish World, let me tell you something. This is all about unity. This is my brother here. He gonna ride out with me. I'm gonna ride out with him, and we need to ride out with each other. It's all about this economic piece. Until we have economic security, we have nothing. You can talk about your religion. You can talk about your social ideals, all you want. Until we have economic security, we have nothing. So we must support each and every one of us who is endeavoring to break the cycle of working for this European. You know, if a brother say buy black, you know what that means. If I say buy Moorish, you know what that means. They both interchangeable when it comes to economics. Let's stop the division, stop the plan, and let's support one another so we can feed our babies and we can build this Moorish world as well as the world for our people to benefit in. It is what it is. Support the family. It is what it is. I got to go. I'm out. Any last words?
All we got is us, rebelvision.com, TheRealAncientChemistry.com, The Real Rebel Instagram. Come holla at me. Come get your Garvey Ice, people.
That's what's up.
Say it again, brother. Black power.
Because people got a problem with it when they say, oh, Moors got a problem with black power. What Moors they talking about?
You're not black under law. So let's get money so we can understand why we're not black under law.
With KRS-One, Temple of Hip Hop. I want to visit Temple of Hip Hop. I want to KRS-One spiritual advisor with Temple of Hip Hop. Yeah,
Okay. So where you from? You from the Bronx?
I'm from Langston, New Jersey.
Okay. But when he started, you was rocking with him on that?
Actually, when he came to Atlanta, Chris and I started working like 1994 when he returned to Boom Bap. Came out, and then they went to Temple of Hip Hop. Once I started running Temple of Hip Hop, I was in my last year of ministry school. And he asked me to come up run the temple, so yeah.
Yeah, so where's KRS located now?
He's over in Liverpool, UK right now, living.
Oh, he live over there now? You don't live in the United States?
Nah, well, it's only been about 4 months since I've been over there, but Chris move around, you know how he move around, but yeah, he over in Liverpool.
So I mean, is he coming back?
Prayerfully.
I mean, are you still in touch with him?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So what do you think about the state of the conscious community?
Well, it depends on what you call a conscious community. There's a lot of people call themselves conscious, but conscious is just a word. It just means something being aware. Some people call themselves conscious, but they're on YouTube arguing with each other. So how conscious are you?
There we go. Sound good, brother. I appreciate it. What's your name again?
Minister Server. And all y'all that's out there arguing with each other, y'all know exactly what I'm talking about. Cut the nonsense out. The feds are watching all of us. They don't care about none of us. It's always divide and conquer. Study your history and learn the tactics of COINTELPRO, and you won't be doing that nonsense you're doing on YouTube.
That's what's up.
Yeah.
That's what's up. And I know who you talk about, and you know who we talk about. You. Peace and love, family. Appreciate you. Now that's gonna be.
I be that more you gon' remember. I'ma be that more you gon' remember. I be that more you gon' remember. To Harker Bay front line till the law call my number. I be that more you gon' remember. I'ma be that more you gon' remember, that's right. I be that more you gon' remember. To Harker Bay front line till the law call my number. If you a friend of the Moors, then you a friend of mine. I was told to watch my enemies, now hold my line. Those that speak against the prophet, they speak against me. And I'm speaking about the prophet over Drew Ali. It's long. Mufti on deck. Y'all see that? Mufti on deck. Anyway. I be that more you gon' remember. I'ma be that more you gon' remember. I be that more you gon' remember. To Harker Bay front line till the law call my number. I be that more you gon' remember. I'ma be that more you gon' remember, that's right. I be that more you gon' remember. To Harker Bay front line till the law call my number. If you a friend of the Moors, then you a friend of mine. I was told to watch my enemies, now hold my line. Those that speak against the prophet, they speak against me. And I'm speaking about the prophet over Drew Ali, who was the first to remind you and bind you back to Morocco, the mountains, Mississippi, and Quebec. Told you you wasn't black, proved it was straight fact. You tripping off trucks.